Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm gonna walk you through how to switch your Instagram business account to private. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. Tap open your Instagram application and sign into your account if necessary. In order to switch your business Instagram account to private account, you'll need to change your account type to personal. Go to the profile picture at the bottom right corner, which will open up your profile. As you can see that this is my Instagram business account displayed on the screen. Simply go to the top right corner and tap on the hamburger menu and tap on settings from the expanded menu. Go to account from settings menu and scroll all the way down and you'll be able to see two buttons in blue at the bottom. Tap on switch account type and tap on switch to personal account. From the pop-up, confirm your selection by tapping on switch to personal account. When you do that, the in-app insights will be turned off and insights from all of your contents, including your promotions, will be removed. Once you tap it on, wait for a few seconds and there you have switched back to personal account. Now, to make the account private, you'll need to be on the settings page. From the settings menu, tap on privacy. At the top of the screen under Account Privacy, toggle the button on right next to Private Account and an expanded menu should appear at the bottom. Tap on Switch to Private and there you have a personal private account on Instagram. When your account is private, only people you approve can see your photos, videos, and stories on your Instagram that you post. That is how you can easily switch your Instagram professional account to private. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.